total number of votes for the two leading candidates. And the two leading candidates with the highest votes, we have APC in alphabetical order. APC with 390,275. 390,275. And PDP with 421,524. As we just said, elections were not held in 47 wards, affecting 69 polling units. So this gives us the margin of lead of 31,249. 31,249. And then the total number of PVCs collected in places where elections were not held amounts to 37,016. And based on these findings and analysis, as stated in the electoral law, where the number of PVCs collected in areas where elections did not hold for council
was cancelled based on overvoting. The guidelines say overvoting is zero. The guideline of INEC says when the election of a council because of overvoting is
where no PVCs collected in areas.
Elections were held in those units, but it was cancelled because of overvoting. There is only one word in local government where
elections do not hold on council is higher than the margin of lead between the two leading contestants. The result is therefore considered to be inconclusive. Thank you very much. So INEC will announce date for next Governorship. Thank you very much.
the election was held.
All right, you just saw it there straight from the Collation Center in Yola, the capital of Adamawa State. Elections have been declared inconclusive there, and INEC will be announcing when what's going to happen next. Interesting.
Very interesting, and I think the dynamics are very clear. I mean, party agents are asking for more details.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.